For this week's podcast in English.com, we're going to talk about our latest hobby. It's geocaching.
So Richard, what is geocaching?
Well, basically, it's a high-tech treasure hunt. Someone, or anyone in fact, hides something, usually a plastic box containing a little logbook, and they hide it in a public place, maybe under a stone in a park, for instance, somewhere hidden from view where normal people, if you like, wouldn't see it. They then post the coordinates, i.e. the exact location of the box, on a website on the internet. And then anyone with a GPS device can plug in the coordinates into their GPS machine and go and find the treasure.
So the things that are hidden are called geocaches, aren't they? Or just caches.
Yeah.
And if you want to find one, you go onto that website, choose the country, choose the place.
Yes, I mean the site is www.geocache.com.
Geocaching.
Oh, is it geocaching.com? Sorry. And they've got all of the caches. They come up on a Google map, so they're very easy. You can find where your hometown is, and it'll show you where all the caches are near or in your hometown. And there are thousands of them throughout the world. You'd be really surprised.
And for me, what I like about it is that many of the caches are hidden in really nice places. So they can be in the town, of course, but often they're in the countryside. So it's a bit of a walk as well, and you go to places that you probably wouldn't go to otherwise.
Yes, the fun part is actually hunting for the cache. The coordinates that you put into your GPS machine will get you to about 3 meters from the actual cache, but then you've got to start searching around, looking in little holes, etc.
And they can be very small, but after some practice, you get to recognise a suitable hiding place, don't you?
Yes. Now, the main thing that all caches have in common is a logbook. So if the container is very small, it may well be just a small piece of paper. But if the container is larger, a small plastic box, for example, there may well be a book, a pencil sharpener, and little things people have left behind as small presents.
Yeah, sometimes people put in coins, sweets, a stamp of the country they come from.
Yes, you sign the little logbook and then put it back for others to find. And that's it.
But it's really taking off worldwide, isn't it, Richard? I mean, there are almost 50 caches hidden here in Jordan. And, other European countries and, there's hundreds and hundreds, thousands of them, aren't there?
Yes, I think the most are in Germany and the United States.
821,000 worldwide.
Wow, yes, it's quite international. And also looking at the entries in the logbooks, you can see people from many, many different countries are looking out for these caches.
So it's a great hobby for people like us who are a little bit nerdy, but love getting out into the countryside and doing some walking as well.
Yes. I mean, it sounds a bit crazy, but you have to do it to really understand why it's fun. So, get onto the website, buy yourself a GPS, and get out geocaching.